Okay. We are going to put a new operating system in my laptop, and for that we'll need the operating system which you're going to use. Here I've got operating system CD Speed Professional Service Pack 1, and I copied Service Pack 2 of Windows as well. Copy Windows XP Service Pack 2. Okay. Since most of you guys are doing this for the first time, we'll play it safe. I've already got an operating system on my computer. We'll be putting another operating system in the same computer itself, making it a dual bootup. So if you screw up anything while putting up the new operating system, we'll have the operating system that we're using now to use. Okay, so let's start. What we're going to do is, I'll use Windows XP Service Pack 2, put in my drive there, and then we get that screen. What do you want to do? Install Windows XP. Learn more about the setup process. Okay. What we're going to do is just close this window up. Shut down your computer. And on it again. It says there, press any key to boot from CD. So press enter. It says setup is checking configuration settings. Just went off. Okay, now setup is starting Windows. There you go. Welcome to setup. This portion of setup program prepares Microsoft Windows XP run on your computer. Press that point. To set up Windows XP, press enter. To repair a Windows XP installation using recovery console, press R. To create setup without installing Windows XP, press F3. Since we're going to put up a new Windows, press enter. Please wait. And then the end user license agreement is there. It says F8 I agree, escape I do not agree, page down, next. F8 I agree. Okay, it says that I got Microsoft Windows XP Professional already installed. Since I said that we will be putting another OS in my computer, we'll be pressing escape, and then I got an unpartitioned space on my hard drive, which is 18 gig. I'll be partitioning that, so I'll press create, and then press enter to create the partition. There you go. I got an 18 gig partition now. And over there it says to set up Windows XP on the selected item, press enter. I am going to set up the new Windows XP in partition 2. There you go. Since in partition 1 I got Windows XP Professional, and pressing enter now. And they'll be asking whether to format the partition using NTFS file system quick, FAT file system quick, NTFS file system, or FAT file system. Go for the NTFS file system quick. And there you go, it's reformatting it. Okay, the reformatting is done. Now the computer is creating a list of files to be copied to the hard drive. This will take somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient. As you see, it's 1% now. Okay, the copying is done, and please wait while setup is rebooting. There you go, 10 seconds. You can manually reboot it as well by pressing enter, what I just did now, and then it shuts down itself, and then restart. Since we went for dual boot up, we'll have 2 Windows XPs now on the menu. Press any key to boot from CD? No, not this time. And then you saw there we had 2 Windows XPs. The first one is the Windows XP that we are going to installing right now. The second one is the Windows XP which we had in our computer before installing. So if something goes wrong in the installation, we have the Windows which was already in the computer